What's going on, everybody? I want to give you a couple reasons to join the Corrupted Crafters on Facebook, our little private Facebook group. Well, I can give you 3 right now. So in December, we gave away 3 of these tilt turners. Actually, they just showed up today from Artistry Epoxy, so they're going to be shipping out today. So I want you to join me as we get these boxed up real quick.
Yeah, trendsetter, whoa, league of my own, it don't get better. No, read what I wrote, I'm a bestseller. Yeah, reach for my goals, hit it dead center, hit it dead center. Bullseye, hit it the most, there's no misses. Something like fish in a barrel, it's no different. Blindfold on me, I still got the most vision. Trendsetter told them before, but they don't listen. Better, bring a better bad because I'm bigger, better. Solo, single, selling several shows at every single second. Peter Piper picked a pack of pickled peppers. Kinda came and crushed the competition, hope they get the message. Look, living it fast, spinning my M in the bag. I never go slow, thinking I'll crash. End up a thing in the past, they know I won't though. Big fish catching me, they gon' need a bigger boat. Ironic how the world stops when I spin a globe. Always showing up. Last year's song still holding up. See the name now and they know what's up. Price hit the top and it's going up. I'm a trendsetter. Whoa, league of my own, it don't get better.
We're good to go. So this one's going to Kristen out of Virginia. We also have Jennifer and Alicia. I'll get yours together here in just a second, and we'll get them to the post office.